Check your English in 40 questions. Are you confident in your skills? Let's begin. Pick the correct option. Answer B, voluntary. Which spelling is correct? Answer B, bitterly. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer A, captivate. Find the best synonym of kinetic. Answer C, moving. Which word is a synonym of verify? Answer A, confirm. Pick the opposite of displace. Answer B, settle. What is the opposite of abrupt? Answer A, gradual. Choose the plural of harmony. Answer C, harmonies. What is the plural form of brewery? Answer A, breweries. What word best completes the sentence? Answer B, if she studies harder, she could get a scholarship. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer D, she suggested taking a break before continuing. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer C, we had the meeting organized by the manager. What does meet someone halfway mean? Answer A, compromise. What does on the nail mean? Answer B, exactly. Pick the antonym of perturb. Answer B, calm. What is the opposite of detonate? Answer D, diffuse. What is the opposite of diminish? Answer B, increase. Choose the correct past form of thrust. Answer A, thrust. What is the past form of sing? Answer C, sang. Which is a synonym of serene? Answer B, calm. Pick a synonym of rude. Answer D, impolite. Choose a synonym of acclaim. Answer B, praise. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Loosely. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer C. Thankful. Pick the correct option. Answer B. Externally. Which option is correct? Answer D. Institution. What is the plural of milkman? Answer A. Milkman. What is the plural of mythology? Answer C. Mythologies. What is the plural of museum? Answer A. Museums. What is the plural of demography? Answer D. Demographies. Fill the gap. Answer C. They asked if we would be available for a call tomorrow. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. Had I attended the meeting, I would have spoken up. What word best completes the sentence? Answer B. The movie was so boring that I fell asleep halfway through. What does strike while the iron is hot mean? Answer A. Act now. What does cut loose mean? Answer C. Relax. What does take a back seat mean? Answer D. Step aside. So close now, just 4 questions remaining. Choose past form of hurt. Answer C. Hurt. What is the past form of creep? Answer D. Crept. Choose past form of behold. Answer A. Beheld. What is the past form of bet? Answer C. Bet. Congratulations! Share your score in the comments and subscribe for more quizzes.